Frankly, we don't know all that much about the birth of stars.
Starlight, Starbright.
We know much more about their lives and how they die.
Starlight, Starbright.
At the end of the life of a star, they become either a white dwarf,
Starlight, Starbright.
or a neutron star, or a black hole. And I will discuss how they were discovered.
Held together by its gravity, the sphere void of plasma brings us clarity, polarity, gases from explosive singularities. Are stars the best? I will now explain the science by request, utilizing all the knowledge that I've gained by my behest. Its long life cycle begins when gravity collapses. A gaseous nebula of hydrogen and helium, perhaps. Its radiation's infrared, magnetic ultraviolet. There's no sound in space, so localized eruptions flare in silence. Turbulence and dynamic forces within the heliosphere. Magnetic reconnection to corona, plasma disappears. It's going over, people fear. Send control and warms us all. Was born from interstellar gas and dust. The clouds form in the ball. Tremendous pressure, potential energy and gravitation. Hydrostatic equilibrium. There's theorems and equations to support this. A full gravitational implosion, birth from starburst, and aftermath of supernova explosion. Everything's in locomotion. Wind from relativistic jet. A massive black hole emitting radio frequencies. We set to birth a star up in the nursery. And swelling building gas, embedded protostars with outflows of hydrogen by mass.
Stars form in molecular clouds with a total mass of a million times that of the sun.
Starlight, Starbright.
Thermonuclear fusion starts in these objects, and that's the birth of a star.
Starlight.
A spiral galaxy, stars and stellar remnants that abound. Internal thermal energy where newly forming stars is found is supercritical. The filaments are quasi-dense to core, so they don't dissipate. They start expanding quickly, growing more. I get excited when I teach this, so listen close to learn this. Pressure's building up until the gas is hotter than the furnace. Gravitational contractions with a temperament enable evolution to its final form if all conditions stable. With Hayashi limits reached as red as Kelvin on the scale. Numerous galactic protostars and clusters to unveil. Once a star, like the sun's done exhausting its nuclear fuel, it morphs to white dwarf. The core it collapses, begins to cool. Astronomy and chemistry, geology and astrophysics. I excel in planetary sciences. I really live a scan the Kuiper belt for asteroids, the circumstellar disk, and seek the deeper meaning always of why my people exist. The nucleosynthesis, the lightest of hydrogen isotopes, primordial universe. We're living inside of a minus dope, cause as above, so is below. So it's infinite, macro, micro, tough to comprehend. It's hidden, forbidden, and endless cycle.
Our sun will become a giant in 5 billion years, 50 times larger than it is now.
Starlight, Starbright.
It will be this big in the sky, and it will be the end, of course, of Mercury and Venus and of the Earth.
Starlight, Starbright.